So yesterday we got here around 8 something. This is where we are. It's called Pozo de Ibarra. This is my little cousin William. Say hi.
Hi.
Those are my family. That's where we live. That's my other cousin right there.
Cheese.
Okay, it's a recording. Díganos las tías.
Hola.
¿Dónde estamos?
Estamos en las islitas.
Estamos en las islitas.
Islitas Nayarit. Una sonrisa, madre.
William. So yeah, this is the beach we're at. There's people. There's my cousin. I look not pretty. There's some guys. Macas. Yeah, right there. Doing what? Oh, so this is us after the beach. I don't know if you can see her.
I don't know you.
And we're missing the other two over there trying to get Coca-Colas. That's only one. We were on the banana. No example of it right now. But we fell off in the middle of the ride. Which is awesome. Yeah. And right now we're about to eat tortas and I look horrible like always. Okay, bye.